Turn lamp mode settings. Left turn signal lamp. Right turn signal lamp. Double flashing warning light. There are 3 turn signal modes. When turning on the turn signal, click K2. Change the direction of the ticker. There are 4 directions to choose from. The color of the turn signal can be changed. Click the color block 5 times to change the color of the turn signal. Speed can be adjusted. Swipe the speed control board to adjust the speed. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you can leave me a message.